ये है वो लेजेंड, बहुत मज़ेदार है, बिल्कुल अमेजिंग है। डू यू नो वेयर बेस्ट सोन हलवा इज़ मेड in Pakistan, and do you know how it is made? If you want to know these two things, you have to stick with my video. The first and foremost requirement is pure milk, of course, for making this gold like halwa. This specially treated grain is added in this milk and it shall be boiled on and on and on. These walnuts will be used in this soan halwa and they are very carefully cleaned by this man. Look here, these are to be cleaned and those are the cleaned walnuts. In your front there is Shahi Bazaar and right there it is Giriganj Bazaar, and this whole chowk is known as Flower Cross Road, and on this side there is Jame Masjid Sadak, and on this side that market is known as the fish market, and you will find the Haji Rashid Sweet Soan Halwa right on this road. This particular road leads to Haji Rashid Soan. Look here, just have a look. अच्छा, आप कहाँ से आए हैं ये हलवा लेने के लिए? हैदराबाद से आए हैं। देखें, कराची के करीब से लोग आए हैं। तो कभी कभार आना होता है तो क्या करते हैं? लाजमी तौर पे लेके जाते हैं, एक सौगात के तौर पे लेके जाते हैं। तो व्यूवर, ये है बहावलपुर की सौगातें जो इतनी ज़बरदस्त हैं और ये आपको इस तरह से मुख्तलिफ वैराइटीज़ के अंदर मिल जाएंगी, और ये इस टाइम पूरे पाकिस्तान में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रहा है। इस कस्टमर से आप सुन के अंदाज़ा लगा सकते। दिस इज़ द फिश मार्केट ऑफ बहावलपुर एंड हेयर इज़ द सिटिंग प्लेस ऑफ Haji Rashid Sweets, and this is the main branch where you can find the tastiest soan halwa in whole Pakistan, and this is how this old branch look like from outside. This is desi ghee. Dear viewers, this is desi ghee is added in this halwa, so that is why this is so high in calories. Look here, I'm having the smell of this pure desi ghee in this halwa. Multan has been famous for making soan halwa for a lot of time, but that is all gone now. That is an old story. The best soan halwa is made in Pakistan, in the city of Bahawalpur, and this shop, Haji Rashid Sweets, make the best soan halwa in Pakistan. Dear viewers, if you like our content, please hit that like button. भाई साहब, कितने अरसे से आप ये सोन हलवा बना रहे हैं? ये 40 साल से बना रहे हैं हलवा से। 40 साल से बना रहे हैं। तो व्यूवर्स, ये हैं वो लेजेंड, उधर देखें ज़रा, ये हैं वो लेजेंड। He is the genius brain behind all this great Haji Rashid सोन हलवा। और माशाल्लाह मुझे खुद शौक़ होता है कि मैं इस तरह से के लोगों से मिलूं और उनसे गपशप हो सके। ये कह रहे हैं कि मैं ज़्यादा बातें नहीं करता और मैं कर नहीं सकता, तो फिर मैंने कहा कि छोटा सा एक क्लिप रिकॉर्ड हो जाए ताकि आप लोगों को पता चल जाए कि ये बंदे हैं जो सारे सेटअप के पीछे हैं और 40 साल से बना रहे हैं। तो हाजी साहब, इधर आप मुझे ये बताएं, किस उम्र में आपने ये काम शुरू किया? बस एक सवाल।
हाँ, मैं तकरीबन 20 साल से।
20 साल की एज थी जब आप?
हाँ जी।
तो ख़ानदान में कोई करता था?
हाँ, मेरे वाले साहब करते थे, बस वो छोटा काम था।
अच्छा।
हाँ, नाम मेरा था।
ठीक है, आपके वालिद करते थे?
हाँ जी, मेरे वाले साहब करते थे।
इसी जगह पे बहावलपुर में?
नहीं, और जगह पे काम करते थे।
अच्छा।
हाँ जी।
मतलब मछली बाजार में?
मछली बाजार में करते थे।
मछली बाजार में नहीं थे शुरू पे?
हाँ, बाजार यही बाजार था।
अच्छा, बाजार यही था, लेकिन जगह कोई और?
जगह और थी।
जगह कोई और। This is crushed green cardamom. This is so beautiful and I can smell all the aromas here, and this is all still hot here. Look, just have a look. And finally, so much cleaned walnut is added in this halwa. Give it a final shovel. Just have a look here. Oh yes, oh yes. Viewers, this is Pakistan and this is Bahawalpur. This is the best halwa I am challenging you all, if any city produces halwa like this, if they produce halwa like this, bring me a video of that, and you can never beat the Son Halwa of Haji Rashid in Bahawalpur. Look at the walnuts, they are all mixed now. This is absolutely awesome. It was just prepared and I am tasting this one. So there are total 4 branches. This one is the main branch. The nuts are cracking and this is so delicious. I have a little of cold and flu running around, but this will cure. These are so many calories. And just have a look. This is so deliciously awesome Son Halwa. Look here. Just look here. Awesome. This is the most famous square of Bahawalpur city. This is known as Fawara Chowk or the Fountain Cross. And Haji Rashid Sweets, they just supply all their good authentic Son Halwa to every branch in their city. And there are basically 4 branches. One is main, one is Model Town B, and one is this one here, right here. If you cannot go to the inner city, you will come here and get whatever type of halwa you want. Dear viewer, this road leads to Yazman Mandi, and the newly built Defence Housing Authority residences are on this road as well. So there is Fauji Chowk in front, and this is the 3rd branch. That is perhaps the biggest branch of Haji Rashid Sweets, and they serve a lot of varieties here. Just look here. These are certain salads, and that is perhaps desert carrot halwa, and they have created multiple facilities here. Just look here. And similarly, these people serve sandwiches. Look at these sandwiches, how good they look. And perhaps pizzas, pastries, and a lot of varieties of biscuits and cake as well. This is the biggest setup of Haji Rashid Sweets, and this is the corner where every type of halwa I have already shown you is sold.